Hello everyone, I'm Rashmi and welcome to my channel Go Kiddies. Right. Oh my god, can you see my table? It's a whole mess. There are so many stuff on my table. Right. What are these? Oh my god, these are marker pens and the pens, color pens, so many things. Oh, and also these books. See? Right. So I'm going to clean up this mess. Please help me. So I collected all of these books like this and I'll keep it away. And then I'm selecting these pencils and pens. It's a bunch of pencils. Now I'm keeping them together. Right. So when I'm cleaning my table, did you hear I use the term these? Yeah, you heard it right. So I told that these are pens. These, a plural form. Can you all remember last video? I told you, I teach you, and we made simple sentences with the pattern this is. So today we're gonna make its plural form. These are. සිංහලෙන් කියනවා නම් මේවා කියන අර්ථය. අපි ගිය සතියේ වීඩියෝ එකෙන් කරේ this is නැත්නම් මේක, මෙයා, මේ කියන අදහස. These are කියන එකේ තේරුම තමයි මේවා බහුවචනයෙන් ගොඩක් දේවල් අපි ළඟ තියෙන ගොඩක් දේවල් ගැන කතා කරද්දී අපි these are කියන ෆෝම් එක භාවිතා කරනවා. So අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් මේවා pen. How do I say it in English? These are pens. මේවා පොත්. මේවා මගේ පොත්. These are my books. These are books. Right? It's easy, right? It's not that difficult. So what is the term that today we're going to make sentences with? These are. It's a plural form. These are. එකෙන් අපි කතා කරන්නේ ගොඩක් දේවල්. බහුවචනාර්ථය තමයි එකෙන් එන්නේ. So next we'll see how to write it as a sentence. You can see these are. This is the way we are writing it, right? These are is a plural form. Okay. What is the first sentence? These are books. These are pens. Last one. These are cups. I'm reading it again. These are books. These are pens. These are cups. I think you saw it. Right. Okay, so try to say something by using the term these are. You can say once your mommy brought the vegetables to your home, you can say these are vegetables. These are fruits. These are my clothes. You can say it, right? These are my toys. You all have so many toys in your home. ඔගලන්ට ගොඩක් සෙල්ලම් බඩු තියෙනවා. ඒකට සෙල්ලම් බඩු ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. හැබැයි ඒවා අපි ළඟ තමයි තියෙන්නේ. These are toys. මේවා මගේ සෙල්ලම් බඩු. අපිට පුළුවන් ද අපි ළඟ නැති shop එකේ තියෙන නැත්නම් අපේ යාළුවගේ ගෙදර තියෙන දෙයක් ගැන these are කියලා භාවිතා කරමින් වාක්‍යයක් හදන්න? No, never. Because we are talking about something closer to us. It's always keep in your mind. We can't tell about something far away from us, just which is in a shop or which is in your neighboring house by using the term these are. It's wrong. අපිට දුරක තියෙන දුර ඈතක තියෙන දෙයක් ගැන කතා කරද්දී these are කියන term එක භාවිතා කරන්න බෑ. එතකොට ඒක වැරදි. Always we have to talk about something closer to us by using the term these are. So these are my books. See, I have 3 books here. 1, 2, 3. I'm talking about lot of books. These are my books. And I have so many pens, markers, pencils. So I can say these are my pens. I have lot of pens here. ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. So I can say these are my pens. Right. Did you understand today's lesson? Was it so difficult? No, right? So keep on practicing, right? It's not that difficult. So keep on practicing and I'll come with another beautiful and a short video. Until that, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Go Kiddies, and goodbye everyone.